So when Disney Movie Insiders was about to go away, I redeemed all my points mainly on 3 Blu-ray DVDs. This is one of 3. This is the Monsters University Blu-ray and DVD combo. And since I redeemed it from Disney's Movie Club, it comes in this packaging. And here's a look at the packing list if you get it from Disney Movie Insiders. But here are the media discs themselves. I was fortunate enough that this one actually came with the slipcover. Not all Disney redemptions do come with one, but you can see it's pretty nice. It's very bright, colorful, and embossed. Here's a look at the spine. I find it funny that one side it has Sully's picture and then the other one has Mike's picture with him barely making the photo because he's so short. Here's a look at the back, including the listed bonus extras like the included shorts, deleted scenes, and a few other monster-specific extras. And it seems that the Blu-ray is all regions A, B, and C, which is always good to see. The DVD seems to be only region 1, which is a little bit disappointing, but overall I think that's pretty good value to have all region Blu-ray here. So removing that slipcover, you have the Blu-ray casing with pretty much the same artwork, and then it's in the shrink wrap, so let's go ahead and remove that. Opening it up, you can see we have a little bit of paperwork here, and then the discs are right there on the right side. So you have, and this is where I noticed that I have a defective case. One of the middle plastic pieces was broken, so it didn't hold the discs in place to the case. So I did reach out to Disney Movie Insiders, and they were kind enough to send me a replacement in a pretty short amount of time. So let's continue this unboxing with the non-broken one, picking off where we left off, which is concerning the paperwork it comes with. So here's the code that you would get to enter for Disney Movie Rewards to redeem for some pretty cool prizes. So sad that the program is now gone. And then a little bit of an advertisement for Monsters University toothpaste it's looking like. And then of course advertising back then their Disney Movie Club. Now let's take a look at the discs. The first one is the Blu-ray feature. You can see right there, it'll have the full movie and maybe a few extras on there. But on the flip side, you have the other Blu-ray disc, which has a different artwork. It has all the bonus features. And then finally, we have the DVD disc, and the artwork takes up the whole disc with Mike and Sully in a bunk bed in college. Happy to see that Pixar movies still come with the full-blown art. They put in that extra effort, whereas the same cannot be said, unfortunately, with just pure Disney movies. But that'll do it for this unboxing. If you're interested in my other movie unboxings, definitely check out my channel and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.